how to delete suggested for you on Facebook. Now let's say Facebook has been suggesting you to befriend other people nearby you, and you want to delete that specific feature of Facebook. All you have to do is to tap on these three lines right here and scroll down until you find settings and privacy. After that, you just have to tap on settings right here and scroll down again. After that, you will be able to see this section that says device permission. You just have to click on that, and you will be able to see every permission that your Facebook has on your device. So every feature that Facebook is catering you to is allowed by you through this section right here. So all you have to do in order for you to stop or delete every suggested for you feature on Facebook is to tap on location right here and make sure that not allow Facebook to use your location for you. So if it's on never right here, you just have to go back to your Facebook account right there and you're done. So that's how to delete suggested for you on Facebook. Hope we help.